everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very different from what I usually do, and I'm going to be doing this as a vlog style video, obviously, because I can't really think of any other way to do it. And we got little Luna here. Hi, what you doing? Why are you looking at me like that? So if you couldn't tell already, I'm doing the framed house tour finally, and I actually talked about this on my Instagram that we are building like a new place. We're basically building a basement suite. It's in my parents' house, so this is going to be the space that I will be living in with my boyfriend. Excuse me, what's your problem? Basically where I live, it is pretty hard to purchase someplace like a house that has like a backyard and everything, because I really want to have a backyard, especially for Luna. It just like makes a really big difference. So we are going to be living in my parents' basement suite, but it'll be really fun because I'm actually like designing things and I'm really excited about it. This way it also gives us an opportunity to save money but still have like our own place, because we both have an interest in getting like an investment property in the future, and that's like totally not possible if we were gonna pay the rent prices here and have like a backyard and all that stuff. So this is what we decided to do. It is very far from the point where we're actually gonna be moving in, but we have just had a few inspections approved yesterday, so it's getting closer, and I figured I would show you guys the state that it's in right now. It's kind of crazy and all over the place, but it'll be really cool to show you guys what it looks like now and then what it looks like when it's all done. So with that said, let's go ahead and start the tour. Okay, so we're gonna start with where Luna is, and I literally just scared her. What is your problem, Luna? You're so silly. Sit. Sit. Luna. There you go. Just be patient. We'll go outside in a second. Just wait. So since this is a basement suite, we wanted to have a door that actually lets in a lot of light, and we're gonna have a like set of blinds that comes down. So obviously we'll have like privacy if you need this like closed off or whatever. And also I still have the decorations from Halloween on here. It says caution, zombie zone. And I figured I would leave it because it's crazy in here right now. And next to the entrance is our living space, and it's actually a very small living space, but that's just because we will be having a bigger kitchen. We really like the idea of having more of an entertainment space. So over here is where our couch is gonna go. And then we're gonna have like a mantle with like a wall mounted fireplace here. And then on this wall, we will have our TV and like entertainment system. So kind of a small space, but that's okay because the kitchen space definitely makes up for it. So under this window is where we're gonna have a peninsula that comes out, and it's gonna be like an area to sit and eat, because we don't have space for a dining table, or we could, but we just didn't lay it out that way because I feel like nobody ever uses their dining table. So the peninsula will come out here, and then it'll have the wall of cabinets, and our sink is gonna go underneath this window. And then on this side, we will have our stove and our fridge, and we actually already got our fridge. And this was just delivered like a week ago. It's a really skinny fridge, but we like it because it's actually quite tall. So it gives us a lot of extra space for countertop space over here. I wanna say this fridge is actually a 28-inch fridge, which is quite small, but because it is taller, like it's quite a bit taller than I am, it'll be really good. I think that it'll fit a lot of stuff in there. So on the other side of the kitchen is this extra room right here, which is basically a second bedroom, but it will be used as my filming room. And I specifically asked for this room to have a lot of natural light. So we have 2 windows here on the side and then 1 big window right here. So it's gonna have so much natural light, but I will have a closet right here, which I can put some more like filming equipment or extra like beauty products and stuff. I'm just super happy because it's gonna have so much nice natural lighting. So out of my filming room is our little hallway that's gonna go into the bathroom and the bedroom. And on this wall, we're gonna have another closet. For some reason, when this part was framed, they didn't frame out the second closet, but there's actually gonna be stairs behind this wall, so it's gonna have to be like slanted. This is our bathroom. There's only 1 bathroom down here, which is totally fine. I don't really see a reason for needing 2, especially with like a small space like this. It was originally designed quite a bit different. Like half of this space was gonna be a closet and half was gonna be a bathroom. But then I was like, I kind of want a tub because I love taking baths, and also it is really great for resale or for future tenants. So yeah, we're gonna have like a big bathtub there, and then obviously the shower on top of the bathtub, and then it'll have the toilet and then the sink vanity with the sink top, and a big circle mirror is actually what we got for this wall. And off of this bathroom is our bedroom, which is a mess right now because this is where we've been putting like all of the things that we didn't have space for. So like that's the big shower that's gonna go in like above the bathtub. My dad's toolkit, because he's been working on this a lot. But apparently this does fit a king size bed, which is great because Luna does sleep on our bed and she takes up a lot of room. I don't know if she looks that big to you guys, but she's pretty big. So anyways, our bed will probably go against this wall, but it might go against this one. We haven't like decided yet. This rocking chair looks really creepy in here too. So then on this wall, the one that is on the opposite side of the bathroom is where we're gonna have like a long closet, and we're probably just gonna do like IKEA custom wardrobe situation on this wall. And then beside this little closet, we have this little space here, which we'll probably fill with shelves so we can put shoes and other things that don't need to go in this closet, just for some more storage space. Going back out into the hallway, we have just across is the door that would be going into like our shared laundry space, or to go upstairs, downstairs, whatever. And then there's actually another room back here which is used for just like recreation things, which the upstairs and the downstairs would have access to, so it's pretty cool. And that is it. It's a cute small little suite, but it has very, very high ceilings, which is great. It won't feel like we're in a basement, which is awesome. And this actually does let in so much natural light, which I'm so excited about because I've been in a basement suite before and it's so dark. So like, this is really great. It doesn't feel like you're in a basement suite. So I'm very happy about that. We'll probably get a door that has like panels or something, so that when my filming room door is closed, it'll actually let out some light as well. And here's just a quick little overview. So filming room, kitchen, entryway, and then our teeny tiny little living space, our hallway into the bathroom, and then the bigger bedroom. And that's it. And I'm really, really excited to get this moving a lot faster. Soon we're gonna have to pick out flooring and bathtub, toilet, cupboards, things like that, which may not sound that exciting, but I'm just like really excited to get this done and start actually designing things. So I definitely want to do some design videos of like each room whenever I start doing that, and just kind of take you guys along this journey with me because I think it's very interesting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick vlog style video of this space that we're currently working on. That's what's been taking up so much of my time for the past like 6 months probably. But now that I can start like filming more interesting things, that's what I'm gonna try doing this year. And as always, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.